Let's go ahead and just kind of take a look at the top. Obviously touchscreen is working, which is great. You know, we've got all of our various different apps here. Scrolls up and down, not side to side. Let's check buttons. So I hit back, that works. So now that the nav is on the left-hand side, it works. When the nav is in the tiles, yeah, so it's like you've got to select. Oh, interesting. Yeah, very much like the new versions. Huh. That's going to be interesting to fiddle with. So I'm going to do a lot of setup in this. For this particular video, I'm doing just install. Now, really quickly, let's go ahead and check the backup camera, see if that works. Let's fire the car up. Nice. Well, yeah, so my tailgate is open. Oops. So you can see straight up. But hey, that works. So I am really excited here, guys. This is great. This is awesome. This is going to be fantastic. So really good stuff here. I couldn't be more excited to have this in the car. So now you're going to want to start to button everything back up. And I'm going to walk you through a little bit of that, of how to put the whole car back together. All right. Now the car's complaining about the ignition being on. Let me take care of that and I'll come back and we're going to work with the screen and the rest. All right, y'all. So let's go ahead and start putting things together. You can see I've jumped ahead just a little bit. I've got my head unit in and back and flush with the two T20s. I've got the two T20s that hold the screen in as well.